Okay, children, welcome to 5th class. My number what? Mathematics lesson. This is second lesson. Yesterday we learned about number system up to lakhs. Do you note all the given exercise and examples in your note? And please bring some notebook and write on the notebooks. Okay. Now I will explain further extended numbers by using place value chart. Okay. Now I will write the place value chart on the board and you note it properly. By using this place value chart, we can write numbers and we can read numbers without any errors, without any mistakes. Okay? The place value chart ni English Telugulo స్థాన విలువ పట్టిక అంటారు. తెలుగు మీడియం స్టూడెంట్స్ కూడా అర్థమయ్యే విధంగా తెలుగులో కూడా రాస్తాను. Okay, for example, if I ask some student write the value of 5050. Generally, some students did some mistake. Some students write like this way: 5050. Is it correct? Obviously, it is wrong. So, how to write 5050? You have to know the place values of the numbers properly in your mind. Then it is easy to write and correctly how to write the number. Actually, how many digits are there in 5050? Only 4 digits are there. So we have to write 5050 like this way: 5050. So we have to know the values of these numbers properly. What is the place value of the number? This is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place. After that put comma. This is thousand place. 5050. Okay, we have to write like this way. So if you write properly this number, we have to know the place value chart properly. Now I will explain the chart now. First ones. Next tens. Okay. Next hundreds. This is all three things are one period. Okay, I will explain later. Next 1000. Next 10,000. Next lakhs. Ten lakhs. Crores. 10,000 means 10,000. Lakh. 10 lakhs, 1 crore, so 1 crore, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, 1 crore. Okay. You కొద్ది పెద్ద కోలం పెట్టుకోండి, నాకు సరిపోలేదు. నా వన్స్ దీన్ని మనం ఏం చేయొచ్చు అంటే ఓ లేదా యూనిట్ ప్లేస్ అని రిప్రజెంట్ చేయొచ్చు. టెన్స్ని టీతో రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తాం, హండ్రెడ్స్ని హెచ్తో రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తాం, థౌజండ్స్ని టీహెచ్తో రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తాం, 10,000ని 10,000 టీహెచ్తో రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తాం, ల్యాక్స్ని ఎల్, 10 lakhsని టీఎల్, క్రోర్స్ని సితో రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తాం. ఇది బాగా నోట్ చేసుకోం ఫస్ట్. You should not forget this table. If you forget this table, it is very difficult to write correct numbers. Okay? And reading also difficult. Now, ones, tens, hundreds, this is called one period up to now. This is one period. This is called ones period. I already told you that if you write ones, tens, hundred place, then you have to put comma. Okay? That purpose only. And 1,000, 10,000, and this is next period. Lakhs, 10 lakhs, next period. Crores and 10 crores next period. Okay, write it first. This is thousands period, and this is lakhs period, and this is crores and 10 crores period. Okay, I will tell again. Ones, tens, hundreds, put comma. This is ones period. Next, 1,000, 10,000, 1,000 period. Put again comma here. Symbol period. Next, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Again, this is lakhs period. After that, crores and 10 crores. Okay. Up to crores, I write here. Board is not enough. Write also 10 crores also if is possible in words. Okay. This is the basic structure of the place value chart. We should not forget this chart. Now, I will write some numbers on board. First, you try to read that numbers. Okay. If you want to read any number, first you have to put the commas. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 1,000, 10,000, comma, lakhs, 10 lakhs, comma, crores. Okay. Now what is this number? 2 crores, 41 lakhs, 56,345. 345. So ones period up to ones, tens, hundreds. Ones period up to here. Next 1,000 period. Next lakhs period. Next crores period. Okay. This is 2 crores. 41 lakhs. Okay. What is the number? 2 crores, 41 lakhs, 56,345. In Telugu also I will write here. For Telugu medium students. తెలుగులో ఏం చెప్తాం మనం ఇది 2,41,56,345. అది రాస్తాను. ఇది కూడా రాసుకోండి. 2,41,56,345. 56,000 చెప్పండి 345. ఓకే, సో తెలుగు ఇంగ్లీష్ బోత్ ఆర్ వెరీ ఈజీ టు అండర్స్టాండ్. ఏ ఇబ్బంది ఏం లేదు, మనం తెలుగులో నేర్చుకున్నా ఇంగ్లీష్ నేర్చుకున్న ఇబ్బంది ఏం లేదు. ఫస్ట్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఈజ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ అండ్ ప్లేస్ వాల్యూ చార్ట్ యూ షుడ్ నాట్ ఫర్గెట్ దిస్ చార్ట్. ఓకే, వన్స్ ప్లేస్, 10th ప్లేస్, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakh, crores. మధ్యలో జీరో వచ్చినప్పుడే కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతారు. ఆ కన్ఫ్యూజన్ లేకుండా ఏం చేయాలని చెప్తాను, నోట్ చేయండి ఫస్ట్. I will give some examples. Okay, in this some zeros are there. Don't confuse when zeros are there. You would just put commas here. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 1,000, 10,000, comma, lakhs, 10 lakhs. If any further confusion, you just write the place value abbreviations if you want. Okay, this is ones place, this is tens, this is hundreds, this is thousands, this is 10,000, and this is lakhs, this is 10 lakhs. Now what is this number? In 10 lakhs space 4 is there. After that 0 is there. After comma is there. First read the number before the comma. 40. 40 is in lakhs. So 40 lakhs. Next 50. Read the number 50. 50,000. Then 431. Okay? Right here. 40 lakhs. 50,000. 400 and 31. తెలుగు చెప్పండి. 40,50,431. Okay, I will give you some numbers and write the number names of that number in your notes. This is exercise for this class. Note these numbers and write number names of these numbers on your notes. Okay, I will conclude the lesson now, and tomorrow I will explain the expanded form and short form. But until now we explain, you just complete this number names on your notes. After that we will meet again on next class. Okay, thank you very much for watching this class.